now? You're at the gas station? What happened? Alright. Alright. What happened? Now they're coming. They're about to pull up.
That's gross.
I have no idea. Did he get caught at the light or something?
Can you stay right here?
Nah, I'm coming with you.
Huh?
Nah, I'm coming with you.
I broke the window.
Oh yeah, there he is. He's right there.
Never mind, dude. I don't think we got time for this.
He said he's on his way right now? Okay.
Go get Dustin.
He's over there.
Where's that?
That boy Justin.
Captain, he has to come on this side.
What happened?
We're going this way.
Yo, Justin, pull up behind him because we're going out this way. He's like, huh? What happened?
I think they need gas. I don't know. Racing for the crowd tonight. Racing for the crowd. All loaded. Oh yeah.
Yo.
What's going on?
Yo, what's going on?
What up, what up, what up, what up? Good with you. What up, big dog? Let's dry. Look, they just sent me this.
Oh, we all know.
Yeah, we good, but hey, do a test hit on that road.
Yeah, I am. But yeah, so when I get over there, I'll send you like an exact location. But I'm about to send you like a pin right now. I couldn't drive fast at first because I just turned my car on. I fucking gassed this bitch. This shit is sport. I don't got oil. I'm gonna break this shit.
Alright, we just pulled up to the spot.
Literally, I'm in the middle of work. My boss is next to me. I hope they still I don't know.
What are you about to do right now? Huh?
Huh?
What are you about to do right now?
Just testing out the road, see.
Okay. No, you're good. No cars coming at all, no.
Good. They stay straight.
They stay straight. The street is good.
Want to run on my shit real quick?
Yeah.
What's up? I got a race for you.
My shit needs to cool down.
Dead ass got a race for you. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't lose though.
It's right on the side. Oh, no worries.
The truck? The truck will get me.
He might.
Nah, he won't.
Nah, hey.
In the takeoff, maybe.
Fam, listen to me. I've been telling you guys this for years. Nothing on 27 is stock.
He's not stock?
No, fuck no, he's not stock.
What does he have?
Put it to you like this. The man got 1,000 horsepower in Tegra. He got AMGs, all types of shit. That's the deal.
Is that the one with the Super?
That's Bush.
He has the Super too, right?
Ready?
Hold on, let me see if I can find
JC, he's a chill with JC.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember? Yo, Dad, where's Alexito? Damn, man.
Alexito said he on his way.
We're gonna kick them off first?
We probably gonna kick these two off first because they're here just to get that over with. That's for the Junior Crown. Because we got Jason, a man with the Honda Six, racing whoever.
I just bought that car. I was like,
and then Desi's on the second race. Nobody else.
B20.
B20.
Yeah, that's fucking.
We get you guys started.
Because of
Whenever
your
he
Nate's
cool
friend.
off and you guys are ready.
Probably gonna have to be a 60, but my speedometer doesn't work. Also, I couldn't figure out why. Probably somewhere in the stock cluster. But so I'm gonna have to go off of you. I'll let you, you know, like honk it and shit like that.
They look identical.
All right, so
I mean, we can both take a passengers. 1, 2, 3.
For them to make fun.
yeah, I could.
Because I don't like that highly.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna brake boost or nothing either. So
For a 60, I have to break this.
I'm the only reason why I'm not brake boosting is because I don't have LSD, so it's gonna just. You have 6 speed or 5 speed?
You
know, I have 6. I have a 5 speed, but I'm gonna wait until
Be the 6 speed, but then
yeah, I got one. I'm just waiting for the LSD to come in and then throw it on the clutch. Put it in. I can only do 4th and 5th pretty much. Go off for you.
what do you think?
Huh? Like your speed? Because I'm a match your speed. Oh, will I make 497?
497? Okay. We're right there.
Torque is 380, 380 something.
More torque.
You have a K20 or?
K20.
Yeah, I have a K24.
Give me 4 gummy worms.
Got a little more
3
torque.
Oreos.
Mine is more.
Fucking long range and up there and shit. Yeah, and you have a 5 speed, so you might honestly.
It's a good race.
Yeah, it'll be.
You're like what, 20?
Bro, I can't believe they all blew. I think this isn't gutted. It's
But I'm going loud.
It's completely stock inside. I didn't take anything out. So whatever the stock weight is, plus a K series turbo kit. Yeah, just probably around like 25. Yeah. You're gutted?
Let's go, Justin. Let me get you your run right now.
Yeah, they're racing, and then me and the
That boy pulled up on us like,
and then
got something for you.
the winner of those 2 races go head to head for the crown. So you might race twice? Yeah, I have to race. Yeah, I might if I don't lose. The crown? No, he's not racing. It's this car. This car's racing the turbo.
Hey, Aaron. Where's Aaron?
Neon's gonna win. Wait, you think that's gonna win?
Hey,
Watch. Let him know.
We'll see. You got your phone?
No. So they're racing right now. The winner of that was now like 2. Yo. What's good, bro?
Yeah, my hands are dirty as fuck.
You're good. What's good, bro? How you been?
What's going on, man?
How you been, bro?
What's going on, man?
We out here, man?
Yeah, we out here, bro.
It's like my teeth yellow. Don't film me, bro. I just ate Doritos. Oh, if it's not this guy, bro.
This is my girlfriend.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you, Jonathan.
This is the car I'm racing right here.
This guy? John.
You racing him?
Fuck this guy.
Yeah, that's a nice car.
On foot, maybe. Not racing. Bro, my shit's slow. My shit's slower.
and he came here and was fucking like tuning this shit, practicing. He's smart, bro. It's a good. It's gonna be a good race.
The car that's racing, does he know he's supercharged and
Yeah. You can't just lie. You ready?
Oh, these guys fucking move, bro.
That's my car.
There's some serious.
Yeah, they went down, warm up their tires, and they're gonna make a U-turn. There's a U-turn like probably the same distance, and then they'll race down here, and there's another U-turn.
The white car won.
Yeah.
I thought the black one was supercharged or whatever.
Yeah, the white one's turbo.
But I thought this guy had like supercharged and nitrous.
Maybe he didn't use it, bro.
I don't know.
Or he spun.
Oh, that's true.
He has tires, but they're like tires for the street, like street tires. The other guy has
Right, we said meaty tire. Yeah, racing tire.
Bro, we gotta let them get this out of the way because we got one more. We got one more, then we got one after that, and then you guys. You guys, it's only you guys.
I don't know if there's like a certain point. Maybe we'll just cruise it.
Jason, we got Jason Tavon.
Yeah, I'll take a pass.
Then the winner of that.
1 week.
Yeah, going back and forth.
You gotta come, y'all.
You got 2 weeks.
Who should I take? What? He wants to take a passenger because we both don't have a horn. So someone needs to say 1, 2, 3. So he's gonna take a passenger. I need to take a passenger.
I just call 1, 2, 3.
You guys ready?
I'm trying to figure out that's what I'm gonna take because he's gonna take a passenger because we both don't have a horn to call it.
You guys gonna take a passenger? Well, you can, oh, that's perfect. You can video. Whoever's in the.
I'm gonna go.
Oh shit! All right.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't really want a passenger though, but
Take Boo with you.
Why do you need a passenger?
because he's taking passenger because we don't have a horn, so he doesn't.
Fucking 1, 2.
We want it to be even and good and
No,
clean.
what do you guys on 60?
Yeah.
So you guys get to 60, and you just look at each other. 1, 2, and you guys know it. Now, don't hit it at 2. Hit it at 3 because you're already at 60. It's over.
I don't mind doing that.
You call it, I'll just look at it.
That way you guys don't
When
put
I'm
nobody
ready.
else's life
'Cause
in danger.
I got a load of 60.
That's what I was
But
thinking.
listen, I need you guys to hit. Look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See that 4th pole right there, Jay? There's one out. See the one that's out? Hit it there so we can get you guys coming up a little bit. Okay? Or at least pass us.
The one what's on.
Oh, hit it from the light that's on. In front.
Yo.
Alright, so the one what's out,
Yeah, the one that's on.
you guys should be at 60 already. And the light after that what's on, that's
Your speed works, right?
Yeah.
All right, my speed don't work, so by the time we get to that light that's off, we gotta be at 60, and then the next light after that.
the light what's on, then y'all.
Both of you guys drive safe.
Yeah, hey, you guys, Jason, you guys, play safe, play safe.
Drive safe.
Safe.
Hey, if feels not going ahead, you just fucking let off.
Yeah, I know, bro.
You can always read.
Bro, that's a broken transmission. This isn't necessary.
Okay.
Hey.
What?
Help me with this.
It's good.
Cars coming. No cars. You're good. You're good.
nigga was letting off.
Nah, nigga, Jason's car does this.
Jason was letting off.
That was like EK. It's swayed, right?
Yo, huh? He wasn't sure. No, he was letting in and out. Like he was letting out. Letting in and out of the gas.
Hey, it sounds nice though.
No, it sounds crazy.
Amazing.
It was a close race, but if he had the LSD,
he was in front of him, and then the other guy just fucking fucking.
It's because you know what it is? Because the GoPro slowed him down.
The wind resistance.
nice ass race, man. Y'all were fucking hauling ass.
Good run.
As soon as that shit, bro, I crashed my last one. I ain't doing that shit. You let off, right? Oh yeah, I was going in and out. That shit was going.
Just like this.
Hell no, I ain't crashing this shit.
I heard it.
Oh, dude, it's going like this even in fifth. That's weird though, cause the test pass that I did, straight as fuck. Maybe because I was mashing it, because I was racing against him, and I was like just mashing a little quicker.
Shifting then. Jason's like,
No,
Nah,
that's
he was shifting
not
good.
trying to.
because I know sometimes it's like different.
No, that's me not trying to die.
That shit.
That was good, bro. That was good. We're gonna have to really redo that again, even if it's not for the crown or anything. Hopefully I don't fucking. Bro, I started spinning. I said, fuck that shit, bro. No, that was good. That was good.
You were fucking.
It was a good race. Oh shit.
Oh, the GoPro's still going.
Nah, bro, that was intense going in and out. You heard me hit it, going.
Yeah, no, I
I just don't
heard
know
it.
about fucking cars the way you sound. I thought you were granny shipping, and then Jason was like, nah. I thought
That's me going. Oh, I was spinning, bro.
Nigga, it looked like your car was like this.
It was. It was.
And then you can hear you playing with the guys like.
Because, dude, at first, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, if I didn't play with the gas, I let off too much, so I hit it too much, and then that's when I started spinning.
racing now.